So, hello, everybody. The story of this episode really goes back to January 19th, 2022, and it involves many of you. You see, it was on that date when we tasted Château Boutisse together during one of my live wine tastings. At that time, Marc Milhade, owner of the chateau, sent me a kind email thanking me for showcasing his family wine and stated simply, "If you are ever in Bordeaux, you are always welcome in our house." When planning my trip to France, an email to him was one of the first ones I sent. For me, this is one of the places I was most excited to visit because of our collective connection to this property. Thanks, Marc and his sister Elodie, for hosting us at your family chateau. Château Boutisse is, or should I say, was a Saint-Émilion Grand Cru. This means that they adhere to stricter standards than a standard winery within Saint-Émilion that simply labels their wine Saint-Émilion. As a result, they get to put the special designation on their wine that says Saint-Émilion Grand Cru. During our group live tasting way back in January of 2022, we enjoyed the 2018 vintage of the Château Boutisse Grand Cru. Here is the best part of the story. When the Saint-Émilion wine reclassification took place in September of 2022, guess who was one of just a handful of wineries that got elevated to Grand Cru Classé? That's right, Château Boutisse. They are now one of 85 Saint-Émilion wineries that can boast that they are a classified winery. I would love to say that I had the foresight to know that this was going to happen, but of course that would be impossible. All I know is that I have been a huge fan of their wines for quite some time. So when their 2022 vintage is released, you will notice that the label will now carry the significant accomplishment. I just hope they don't raise their price too much. Marc and Elodie, thanks to both of you for your incredible hospitality, and congratulations on your significant accomplishment of becoming a Saint-Émilion Grand Cru Classé wine.
Hi Jamie, well thank you for coming. It was a pleasure to receive you with Elodie, my sister, in Château Boutisse, our family winery. So we did a very nice visit. Very happy to receive you.
Thank you very much. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Thanks.